We've been visited by cockatoos this morning. Lots of them.
Why did you give them food?
Well, because they were curious, and I kind of like cockatoos. And they're beautiful.
But they destroy things.
Well, yeah, they're reckless. I mean, they're... Ooh, yep. Oh gosh, he almost knocked the bowl off the ledge.
I just hope there's no cars.
Well, I hope they're not going to kind of come and chew on the succulents, because we've got a few nice gardens here, and there's seedlings as well. Laura's Illawarra flame tree seedlings, which are very fragile.
Hey, lorikeet.
Oh, lorikeet here too. And the two of them. Tough little natives and locals. Oh, see, that's what happened. One of them came down and landed on the inside on my motorcycle wheel, which I've been growing for years, so I really would rather you didn't. Just stay out there, please, you guys. This is asking for trouble, putting out some seed. Now we've got... This one's been tagged. He almost bit me on the finger earlier, because I let him. I was like, hello, you're not scared at all, are you? But obviously these guys fly all over Sydney and have people feeding them everywhere, and they're used to humans. Hello! Yeah, these lorikeets we've seen before. They've come a few times. Amazing what happens when you build a garden though. When we moved in, this place was empty and there was absolutely no life here, and now all of a sudden we've invited life. Something's going on. Oh, the noisy miners have come now.
The noisy miners are just chasing away the cockatoos.
Yeah, they'll try and... They're pretty territorial. They chase away all sorts of other birds, don't they? Because we had these camellias down here which were flowering all last week. And the noisy miners are protecting their food source, I think. Oh, hello. Yeah. Didn't mean to scare you. They're big, aren't they?
They're massive.
Mm.